Hello class and welcome back. We have another debugging exercise that we're going to take a look at. This time I'm not going to look at the errors. I see that there's 9 of them, but I'm going to try to fix them without any help from the debugger. So first things first, I'm looking at red squiggles. We have an open double quote here. I'm going to put a closing one over here to fix that. Readline needs a set of open and closed parentheses because it is a function. It does need input, and that's what we're doing. Convert dot to int32 is what we need over there. We're writing another integer. Second string equals readline. That one's going to be difficult. Second equals convert dot to int. That's going to be 32 to int32. And then second string, that needs a R. That's the issue, R. And that fixes that. And then second string equals readline. The L in line needs to be capitalized. That should fix all the issues. Let's go ahead and run it. Oh, let's see. Something's going on, doesn't like it. Main is lowercase. Let's go ahead and make that capital. That should fix it. There we go. Enter your name, Mr. B. Enter integer 5. Another integer 10. Oh, so even though it ran, there was still an issue, so I got to fix it. So right here it's got the x, must be greater or equal to 0, less than size argument. So something up here is going wrong. Make sure that main is capitalized. Okay. Thank you. The product of blank and blank is 4. Okay. So we have the order over here mixed up. It starts at 1. We need to start at 0. And just subtract 1 from everyone here. Make sure everything is in line. Again, because the 0 place is actually the first. This is called index position 0, meaning that it's going to go for the very first one in the list. And now that should work. So let's do Mr. B, 5, 10. There we go. That works. All right. So that was a good debugger exercise. It helped us remember that our placeholders need to be accurate as far as which variable we need to put in place of them. All that's good. Let me know if you have any questions, and we'll see you in the next video.